What's up everybody, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Jazzy 27X by Pride Mobility. Now this is not going to be an in-depth review, I'm just going to tell you what makes it special. If you want to learn all about it, stay tuned till the end. I'll put the specifications on the screen so you can go through them at your own pace. What makes the Jazzy 27X special is that it folds like a manual wheelchair, but it is powered with a lithium battery pack and it has a joystick controller with two electric motors. To fold it, I like to remove the seat, lift up from the middle of the chair, and hear it snap into place, just like that. Now this chair is made out of complete carbon fiber, and if you remove the battery pack, it goes from 31 pounds to 27.5 pounds. That's extremely lightweight for a chair that can support up to 275 pounds, and it's airline compliant. This is the perfect travel chair if you're looking to go on a vacation with something lightweight and portable. Not to mention, it has tons of great features like a built-in cup holder and the option to have two different batteries that you can dock on the left and the right side to double your travel range. Now, by the way, folks, if you want to learn more about our top-selling products, not just the Jazzy 27, claim a copy of our free product catalog. All you have to do to get a copy is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Or you could just click right there in the top right-hand corner where it says get free catalog. Now, a few other things that I really like about the Jazzy 27X is the fact that it does have a heel strap here and two independent footrests that are height adjustable. It has a very easy to use joystick that you can mount to the right or the left side very easily. Now, if you have any questions about this chair, leave them in the comments section. We respond to all comments within 1 business day. If you own one of these, we'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Tell us what the pros are, what the cons are. Me personally, I think it has a very comfortable seat cushion, which is 17 by 17 inches, by the way. And I love the fact that when you're stowing it in the trunk of a car, you can snap back the handles. Not only that, a lot of people don't know that you can actually fold it up and then tilt and roll it into the back seat of your car. A lot of people don't know that. And that's only really capable with the folding style that has the X-frame that allows it to close like a manual wheelchair. So what I like to do is tilt it back, put the front 2 wheels on the inside of the car on the back seat, and then tilt and roll it right in. It's a pretty convenient feature, and this is a pretty nifty chair if you ask me. Now, the fact that it's made by Pride Mobility, the nation's leading manufacturer of power wheelchairs, is just icing on the cake. You're gonna get that 1-year in-home service plan and an industry-leading parts warranty. So if something does go wrong within the first year, you don't even have to leave your home. A technician comes to you and services it. Now, you know our channel, we're not just gonna give you all the pros. I will tell you what I see as a potential con. No product is perfect, I wanna give that disclaimer, but this is a very lightweight chair with small motors, not the best tires for going off-road. So if you're expecting performance off-road on grass or gravel or mulch, well, I hate to say it, but it's probably not gonna meet your expectations, especially if you weigh 200 pounds or more like me. Now, the lighter you are, and depending on the type of surface you're going on, it may actually work for you on grass that's compact, but softer, wet grasses, I doubt it will work for someone like me, and we are gonna test it and report back to you with a more in-depth review in the future. So make sure you subscribe if you want to stay tuned and learn more about our products. Now remember folks, at the end of the video, I am going to put the full specification list on the screen, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, I do want to personally say thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting the channel. It means the world to us. And did you know that part of every sale here at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our mission to give back to the disabled community? That's right, folks. We give away mobility devices all the time to people in need. A lot of these individuals are veterans, homeless, or just struggling to get around with a walker, cane, crutch holder. They're just having a hard time obtaining a mobility device, and we show up with a brand new scooter. A lot of the times we even have the cameras rolling. So if you want to watch those videos, check them out. I'll put them in the playlist in the description and in the top right-hand corner of the screen. We can make a difference together, folks, 1 mobility scooter at a time. Now, I'm gonna finish it off by saying that the Jazzy 27X does have a cousin, and that is the Jazzy Carbon 27, which is the standard version that folds like most other folding power wheelchairs. Now, this one can support up to 300 pounds, and it has a red and a blue color option, whereas the 27X comes in black. Also, one other thing that you may not care about too much, but the armrests on the 27X are rounded, whereas on the standard version, they're flat. A lot of the times you kind of feel like you get stuck, especially if you sweat like me during the hotter months. On this one, you really don't feel like you're getting stuck on it at all. It's a very smooth feeling on your forearms, which you spend a lot of time resting your forearms there, and that can get uncomfortable. If you want to learn more about the standard version, we have a review video for it as well. And by now, we may have already finished our comparison video where we compare all of the top selling folding power wheelchairs on the market today. We hope to see you in the next video. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.